G14 Limitless with the compound gearing is done and ready. Got the body on it. Let's see. I'm gonna have to try to get this body cut for it, but I'm gonna use this body as a template and sit on top of it so I can mark the holes and so I can get this body cut. I'm gonna have to Dremel it because it's hard to cut. We can't cut it really with scissors. Can't use a reamer, so I'm gonna have to use a drill to put the holes in it. But I'm gonna try to get this one cut up to run on here. It's supposed to be indestructible body, but we'll find out because I don't know. I do a lot of crashing, so we'll find out how good this body is. But it's all ready. Let's take this side of the Velcro, so put this on here to mark it. But I got the compound gearing on there. It works just fine. I'm running a 35. Let's see here. Got 35 on the 31. But then I got 37 on the 31 here. So, but that's what I got going. 35, 31, 37, 31. I'm only going to be running this on 4S. My goal is to try to get somewhere in the 140s on 4S, because when I did my 4S challenge, I couldn't get past 139. So if I can get it somewhere in the 140s or higher up there, then I feel like the compound gearing is it's worth it. But if I can't get it up there in the 140s, then either I ain't figured this shit out, or the compound gearing just ain't worth it. But that's the whole point, to see how the compound gearing is. So 1721, same motor I ran in my challenge, XLX2. This is on a V2 Limitless, but I was running 2.8 diffs in my other Limitless, so basically it's the same shit. But I got carbon fiber, dry shafts, perfect pass servo. Got the perfect pass battery tray things, but I'm gonna use these battery trays because I want the batteries to sit right there, keep the car balanced. Got my light fixtures on here, help me see the car front and back. So, but it's ready. I'm gonna start testing, try to get it dialed in, going straight, and then try to get some runs in. So I'm gonna start trying to get this body set up and get this body cut out, going under here, and we'll go from there. So stay tuned. I'll see what I'll be out testing soon. Thank you everybody for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.